This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Chirin. Extraordinary panoramic views of Sarasota Bay to Longboat Key from this amazing 19th floor triple penthouse comprised of over 5,200 square feet, 12 rooms and custom designed floor plan within the space of 3 apartments. Expansive bayfront terraces to enjoy sweeping views and endless sunsets. Adorned with exquisite finishes such as high ceilings, wooden marble flooring, built-in cabinetry including doors detailed with Italian frescos, a temperature-controlled wine room, and antique light fixtures. The owner's suite has built-in armoires, 2 dressing areas and a large sitting area with fireplace. One guest suite with private entry has its own kitchen and laundry, leads to a fabulous game room with built-ins and can be converted back to a standalone 2-bedroom condo. This true one-of-a-kind luxury home comes with 3 contiguous parking spaces, 3 storage units, plus an extra storage room. Condo on the Bay offers superior location to downtown, St. Armands, beautiful beaches and has a 24-hour guard-gated entry, beautifully renovated lobby with concierge, tennis courts, fitness, 2 pools and boat docks too. Come see this truly exceptional French-inspired condo in the sky. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Chirin at 941-993-3388.